Hello, this is Professor Umbach, and I briefly wanted to show you how to use the Transparency Initiative database. The database organizes the underlying data to the CCRB by officer, by victim, by allegation, or the nature of the complaint. In class, we looked at the data sliced by officer. So let's go to there. And you can see that this is organized with the officer as one of the two variables. So here we looked at the ethnic breakdown of officers who had received or not received a complaint. But you might also look at the complaints as organized by, say, the victim or the alleged victim. And there we have gender of victims over time. Or you could look at age of the victim. And you can further slice the data by race. Or you could look at the data as organized by the allegation. So here you can look at by the type of allegation, or I think you can, yeah, you can't do that here. Under complaints, however, you can look at the CCRB data organized by geography. So which borough has the most allegations? God, this is not working.